Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. So you want an organizational chart that's interactive and updates in real time? Let me show you how to build one in Google Sheets. And I'll also show you how to make it much easier to maintain. What you need first. Before we build the chart, you need two columns. The name or role you want displayed, who that person reports to. That's it. For example, Andrew, CEO, reports to nobody. CFO reports to Andrew, CEO. Marketing manager reports to CFO. You can even type something like Andrew, CEO, and the chart will display it exactly like that. Step 1. Insert the organizational chart. Select both columns. Now go to Insert, Chart. Over on the right-hand side in the chart editor, change chart type. Scroll down until you see the one with names connected in a hierarchy. Select Organizational Chart. And that's it. Your org chart is built instantly. If I add someone new, like Andrew, CEO, it automatically updates. If I change a reporting relationship, it updates in real time. Optional. Move or export. You can. Move the chart to its own sheet. Publish it. Copy it elsewhere. But let's improve how we manage it. The problem with manual typing. If I manually type a name in the Reports To column, for example, change Andrew to Brad, the entire structure can break if the name doesn't match exactly. Then I have to manually fix the text. That's not ideal. Step 2. Make it interactive with drop-downs. Instead of typing names manually, let's create a drop-down. Right-click the Reports To column. Choose Drop-down from a range. For the range, use a 2 to A. This means all the names in column A will become selectable options. Click Done. Now apply this drop-down to the entire Reports To column. Now, instead of typing, you can just select from the list. This makes it faster, more accurate, fully interactive. For example, if we change CFO to Carl, CFO, spelled with a K, we immediately see that any broken connections are obvious and easy to fix by simply selecting the correct name from the drop-down. Much easier than copy-pasting names over and over. Why this works so well? The organizational chart is powered directly by your data. When you clean up data entry using drop-downs, you prevent errors, keep names consistent, keep the chart dynamic, and everything updates automatically. If you want to build smarter, more interactive Google Sheets like this, subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. We're making sure you get the absolute most out of Google Sheets. I'll see you in the next one.